Alright, yo. I'm going to be reviewing the GK61 red version keyboard. It was like 80 bucks on Amazon, and it really looked nice. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it right away because I hate it when people take like 10 hours talking about the keyboard. So I'm just going to open it. Yeah. So it looks like we also got a keycap holder, which I should probably not lose. I mean, I probably will lose it, but you know. And we also got the, got the cord. So you probably clicked on the video because you just wanted to hear how the typing sounds like. So I'm just going to do that and get it over with. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and show the RBG lighting. So yeah, let's do that. All right, so I looked on YouTube and I have been told to change the lighting. You hold FN and then this. So FN, yep. So FN and the slash button up there. So if it's on this, like the white right here, you can change the color by doing FN and then this. So we got a whole bunch of different colors, but let's just go back to doing FN slash. There's a whole bunch of different modes. I think that's sick. Ooh. I like that. So there's basically just a whole bunch of different lighting modes. There's a whole bunch of choices. Whole bunch. Yeah, and to turn the RGB off, if you do not like RGB, you can do FN and then this thing right here. Not this, but this. And it just turns off. So that was all the RBG options, I think. But as you can see, the cord doesn't automatically go into the keyboard. You have to plug it in. So there's this little thing that you can plug it into. So it comes with the not the RBG, the cable. So you can just plug it into the keyboard like that. And then I have it like plugged into my computer like that, and it should, then it should work. But it will not work like wirelessly. You have to have the plug-in. You probably know that, but I'm just, it's a review, all right? I gotta say like everything. Oh yeah. Also, it comes with directions. But nobody cares about directions because I'm showing you this video right now. Bro, this is such a short video. I don't know what else to say. I've said like everything that you guys actually care about. I haven't said that the keyboard's red, have I? The keyboard is red, guys. The keyboard's red. You can type on the keyboard. The package is white. You can touch the package. Oh yeah, also the keyboard does not have keyboard stands, like the stands in the back. Nobody really cares about that, but if you're like a professional gamer looking at this video, then you might not want to get it just because of that reason, but literally that's like the only thing that's really bad about it. Like everything is good. There's just not really keyboard stands, but yeah, I'm probably going to end the video because I said everything that everyone actually cares about. So, I didn't want to make this like a 20-minute review about things that people don't care about, like the directions over there. But yeah, like the video if you liked the video. Yeah, bye.